down. Slippery. I'm in here. Free camper, I guess. It's free, it's for me. The outside didn't look too good, but inside didn't appear to be too bad to me. It's like a little poem. Too bad to me, to me, to me, to me. Clothes and everything in here. First aid. Ooh. Oh, it's cooking. This floor is slippery like ice. Oh, no beer. Couple little mouse turds, but I tell you, not too bad compared to what you would think. Sitting for years. Guy's parents died in the house. He went to South Carolina. Said, "You want that camper? I need it gone. Anyone that hauls it away can have it," he says. Got the whole schedule for the hunt. Little folding table in there. Got some breakers. I don't know. I don't know. Don't seem like a bad little hangout, you know? If you shoot it, you eat it. If you catch it, you clean it. Oh, brought the blue truck. Figured, nice dependable four-wheel drive. Fortunately, she just stuck in her hole a little bit. Camper, I mean. Decided to clean up this road. Yeah, I had to call in. Had to call in a favor. Need a little tug every now and then. Everyone needs a little tug. I had to cut some trees down. This tree was growing right into this little awning here. Doesn't seem to affect it though. Looks all right. This guy's old hunting rig, old Norris, 60 something. She's definitely in the 60s, but looks like it's got good bones. I don't know. I'm a sucker for free stuff. Old Harbor Freight cordless Sawzall. Finally got to use it. Boy, did that work good. No need for firing up chainsaws and everything. We'll wait for a special guest to get here. Oh, we got the big rig, big rig. Calling the big rigs.
Yeah, I tried to pull out a camper in the fucking middle of winter and you're probably a little stuck in there. Christ, I had to get my little, the little trailer I put four-wheeler on?
Yeah.
I had to go out there and put a bottle jack underneath each side of the axle because the tires were frozen in. This year I put fucking wood underneath the tires before I put it up in there.
Yeah.
The tires went flat on it and it froze right into the ground.
Yeah, I had to get under there and smash away all the little jacks and the wheel chocks and stuff. I'd say you're good. Yeah.
Tree stand. Probably too heavy to be a tree stand. It looks like looks like a ladder cage or something that come off of like a tower.
Yeah. No idea.
I used to see that shit when I worked on the state, climbing up the side of the buildings and stuff. I'd see little cages like that.
Oh yeah.
We had no skis. We brought it out on tires.
Nice. The old Duramax just idled it right out.